folks, it's been a moment. It is official. It's sad. Well, it's not sad. It's exciting, but it's sad at the same time. So Jossie Pop Studios is empty. So whether you were a PT client of mine, whether you're an art client of mine, you will no longer see the studios. So it's onwards and upwards. It's 2024, so we're gonna smash this year. We're gonna go to the moon. But yeah, moving house is forcing this sale. Pretty sad. Anyone who's trained here, as I said, or even been here, the random grassy bits up here I added for absolutely no reason. The $1 million check that I wrote to myself, which is still coming, and then just the whole Jossie Pop's back wall. I'm gonna miss it so much, but get a new place sorted. We're onwards and upwards. It's very exciting of what is to come. But yeah, I very much learned that the £1 million up there is not even as good as having the experience and fun and enjoyment that I've had so far.